Welcome to this video tutorial on how to publish your videos directly to your WordPress website using StreamingVideoProvider's online video platform. As you can see, we already have a player here embedded into a WordPress web page. And to do so, it's quite simple actually. You just simply need to go to your StreamingVideoProvider account, log in. Once you're logged in, simply scroll down, find a video that you would like to publish. If you haven't already uploaded a video, simply click on the Upload New Videos button, follow the instructions, and once you're back, choose a video or a live player that you wish to publish and click on the Publish button. Now this gets us over to the publishing settings. In the publishing settings, we're going to choose Embedded, which we already have here. Going to go down, set up the player exactly as we want it to. Once we're happy with it, it's going to scroll down all the way and click on the Generate Code and Preview Player button. So we have our code here now, which we could normally just, right click, copy the code and embed it. However, WordPress has a tendency of breaking code. So when you copy embed code and paste it directly into your WordPress, what happens usually is most of the WordPress themes will go and change the code and make the player useless. So to prevent that, we're going to install a plugin for WordPress. So let's go over to our WordPress dashboard. So here we are in our WordPress dashboard. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to plugins and we're going to go and click Add New Plugin in WordPress. And we're going to search for plugins. And what we're going to write in here is raw HTML and click enter. So it's going to search and it's going to show us the raw HTML plugin. So I already have it installed, but all you have to do is click on install now, follow the instructions, and once it's installed, you can verify the installation by going to plugins and click on installed plugins. In the installed plugins section, we're going to scroll down and look for the raw HTML plugin. So if you haven't got any plugins, it might be at the top, or just have a look around. It should be fully here. Make sure it's activated as well, which it is automatically by default, so it should be fine and ready to go. So now what we're going to do is click on posts. I'm going to go and create a new post, and very simple, click on add new, give it a title such as testing new SVP player. So that's, oops, not zip. We want SVP, not zip. So all we're gonna have to do now is, where we usually just write our post, instead of just writing the post, what we're gonna have to do is click open bracket, type in raw, close the bracket. We're gonna enter, and then what we're gonna do is open the bracket, / raw, and close the bracket. So between these two, we can now enter the player code so that the raw HTML plugin that we installed earlier for WordPress will prevent any code between these two raw tags to be broken by WordPress. So it's very simple. What we're going to do now is go back to StreamingVideoProvider, to the player that we generated. We're going to copy it. So I'm going to right click, copy the code, go back to my WordPress and right click, and I'm going to paste the code in here. So now it's pasted, it's between the two raw tags, so raw opening tag, raw closing tag, and the player code in between. So that's it. All we have to do now is click on publish to publish the player, and click on the view post button to view the post. And here we are. As you can see, it's been fully published and the player is working perfectly as it should. We're going to click on the play button, and there you go. Works superbly. Well, that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on how to publish videos to your WordPress website with StreamingVideoProvider.